What's up, guys? It's Hugo. It's Friday, you know it's game day. Come on out and fill the stands. Let's go, Poly.
Hey, I'm a Poly dancer, and I want to motivate y'all to come out tonight and help us cheer the varsity boys.
Hi, I'm Raven on the Poly cheer team. Hi, I'm Cecilia, co-captain on the cheer team. And we want you to come tonight to support our boys.
I'm Danny.
And I'm Trinity.
And we're your athletic trainers.
See you tonight and go Poly.
Let's get this win.
On behalf of the volleyball team, go Parrots.
Tonight, Poly versus ODY at Hanley Field. Be there.
Live orange, put a Poly.
Parrots all the way.
Live orange, be orange, think orange. Bring the spirit, bring the love.
Let's go Poly!
We might have bloopers.
Go.
On the Poly cheer. Hi, I'm Raven on Poly cheer team.
See you tonight, go Poly.
And go again.